Hey guys, this is a Nokia One, cheapest uh, Nokia with Android Oreo Go edition. So it's around $16. It's a quad core phone with 1 gig of RAM and 4.5-inch display. So uh, here are the specs. So 4.5-inch, not HD resolution, 1 gig of RAM, 8 GB internal storage, 5 megapixel main camera with LED flash. It's a fixed focus camera, 2 megapixel front facing camera, and so on. So there's two colors, red and blue. This one is blue color. So charger, headphones with microphone. Micro USB cable, some user guides and warranty cards, quick start guides, and battery. Battery is at 2150 milliampere per. No, not big battery, but for this inch is pretty nice. So these covers can be exchangeable. So this is the dual SIM variant with micro SD card up to 28 gigabyte. Both cards are nano SIM. Okay. Let's put it up. Android Go edition, which stands for Android Oreo 8.1. This is the white version of full Android Oreo, because this hardware is very low and can be run the full version. So there is a long time support from Nokia for security patches. Do not worry. There is language, full languages. CPU is by MediaTek, quad core, as I can say it. As I said, 4.5-inch TFT display, not IPS. So there is a volume, power button, volume buttons, So 3.5 headphone jack. No, left side there is nothing. Bottom is micro USB port. Loudspeaker. Main camera 5 megapixel with LED flash. There is a Nokia logo. Of course, plastic. So here is a front-facing camera with earpiece. There's a Nokia logo. Mine microphone. There is nothing. Uh, Noise cancellation microphone. Anyway, so as you can see, it's running very smooth. With Android Go edition. Nokia One 8.1. And there is optimized apps like Gmail Go, Google Go, Maps Go, Files Go. It's wide versions of general applications. So let's see how much memory we have. 400 megabytes free of memory. 5 GB free internal storage. There is a full features from Android to Oreo, Bluetooth, so battery. There is an ambient notification when you receive a new message. Display will blink and see the message, then it will turn off. It's for a while, about 3 seconds. So this is the maximum brightness. Camera, let's see the camera. HDR. Not bad, but there is nothing. There is no focus. So it comes with a pure version of Android Go edition without some useless apps with ads. It's a clean from these bloatwares. It's running very fast. launching every app easily. So okay guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe for more videos and see you next time. Bye.